This project is a reliable algorithm based on combination of EMG, ECG and EEG signals for sleep apnea detection. Sleep is very essential for human being. The influence of sleep disorder not only gives the decrease in quality of sleep, it also causes many side effects and also causes death to the patients in uh, over situations. The sleep apnea syndrome is one of the most dangerous sleep disorder. It decreases the patient's breathing level during their sleeps. Early detection of this syndrome will be easy for the doctors to treat the patients to cure them. So we are going to propose the diagnosis of apnea disease using the nonlinear method and linear method too, with EEG, EMG and EEG signals. Here the existing system uses the filters and Hilbert-Hang transformation for the analysis of EEG feature signals. This may show the lower efficiency, so we are going to propose the system which uses EMG, ECG and EEG signals for the classification and diagnosis of sleep apnea. Here the discrete wavelet transform uses for the frequency transformation techniques, and the filtering process, windowing process are doing for betterment of signal processing in feature extraction and many following steps. We are using the classifiers, the multi classifiers. We are using SPM and ANN for the classification of disease. Based on the input signals, we are getting the results as normal or abnormal, which will show the normal level of sleep disorder and the abnormal level which gives the patients in abnormal situation. Now we are going to see the results, the implementing process. Here we are taking the ECG signal. Now the frequency domain transformation will be happen. We are going to apply the filters. The rectangular window and the spectral window will be used for windowing process. Next part is analysis part. Here we are using peak detection technique and signal averaging and feature extraction step, which will be used in classification process. After completing feature extraction, we are going to classify the system using SVM classification. The result here is abnormal. Now we are going to check it through ANN system 2. The training process will be start soon. The process almost done. Yes, we are getting abnormal state. So the patient was in abnormal state of sleep apnea direction. Now we are going to take the next EMG signal. These are the filtered signal. This filtering and windowing process will be help in the feature extraction, the perfect analysis of signal. After feature extraction, we are going to classify the signals. This EMG signal, which is the other patient signal, was in normal state. Now we are going to check using ANN. Here the result is normal. Now we are going to take the next signal, that is EEG. The same steps will be followed. Now we are going to classify the signal. The result is abnormal. So we can easily identify the patient is normal or abnormal using these signals. By using the system, it will help doctors to treat the patients accordingly.